how-tos.
How to use a meditation cushion for proper posture during your meditations. If you're trying to sit in a meditation for any more than 5 minutes, you're probably gonna feel a little sore, and it's gonna distract you from what you're trying to focus on. Having a meditation cushion is super beneficial because you are able to adjust yourself wherever you need to be. Coming more towards the front of the cushion is going to allow you to really stack your heart over your pelvis. So this is really going to strengthen that oxygen flow all the way up to the crown of the head. We have a perfect stance here, and this is something that is going to not put a lot of pressure on your hips or your ankles as you sit for long periods of time during your breath work or your meditation. So just playing around with your cushion, noticing what's comfortable for you. Maybe you want to scoot back a little bit more, that's totally fine. It's also fine to use a wall as well if you have low back pain. So for a long meditations, say like 30 minutes or so, I would recommend having some blocks near you. Is place them right under your knees here for some support, and just always remembering that nice straight posture. So once you feel it once or twice, you're always gonna know what feels right and what doesn't feel right. So if you feel closed off or you feel uncomfortable, chances are your body just isn't in alignment. So just try to find your center of gravity, use your cushion, use your blocks if you need to. You wanna make sure whatever position that you're in is comfortable enough that you can really set and focus and breathe without having any distractions, especially if they're coming from your body or your posture. That is something that we're always in control of. Maybe the dog barking or your kid knocking on the door isn't an option, but we can't always control our posture. So this is something that really helps with that.